I used to sleep 8 hours and wake up more exhausted than when I went to bed. Sound familiar? You drag yourself through the day, relying on caffeine and willpower just to function. You tell yourself it's stress, it's work, it's just life. But deep down, you wonder why you can't seem to get it together. No energy, no drive, just constant fatigue that made me question everything. I was eating healthy, but I was always bloated and sluggish. I tried every sleep hack, but nothing worked. I was starting to think this was just my life now. And guess what? The problem wasn't sleep. It was the extra weight silently draining my energy like a parasite. It was the inflammation, the hormonal imbalances, the constant struggle my body was in just to exist. Listen, I get it. When you're exhausted, the last thing you want to do is move. Scrolling through social media or hitting the snooze button sounds way more appealing. I've been there. But here's the thing. That's exactly what keeps you trapped in that cycle of fatigue. Instead of giving in to the exhaustion, I made a simple change to jumpstart my energy. First, I got out of bed, drank a big glass of water, and moved my body for just 10 minutes. I'm not talking about an intense workout here, just some light stretching, yoga, or a brisk walk outside. Was it easy at first? Hell no. I was stiff, I was tired, and my mind was screaming for coffee and a nap. But I pushed through, and within 2 weeks, something incredible happened. My energy came back. It wasn't dramatic, it was subtle, but it was real. I didn't need 4 cups of coffee to function. I didn't dread mornings. I started showing up again for myself and for my day. That's the power of movement. It doesn't have to be complicated or intense, just consistent. Start small, start simple, and watch your energy soar. Secondly, let's talk about food. Because let's be real, food can either be your energy source or your energy thief. I used to think calories were all that mattered. I'd eat bagels, cereal, or skip breakfast entirely. Big mistake. Weight loss isn't just about eating less. It's about eating right to fuel your body with enough energy, especially if you want energy that lasts. See, those carb-heavy breakfasts were sending my blood sugar on a roller coaster, leaving me craving sugar and crashing by mid-morning. So I made a change. I swapped those empty carbs for protein-rich whole food breakfasts. Think Greek yogurt with berries and nuts, eggs with avocado and whole grain toast, or a smoothie packed with greens, protein powder, and healthy fats. The result? My blood sugar stabilized, my cravings disappeared, and that dreaded 3 p.m. crash became a thing of the past. My body wasn't tired, it was malnourished. Once I started giving it the nutrients it needed, my energy exploded. Remember, food is fuel. Choose wisely, and you'll unlock a level of energy you never thought possible. Third secret is water, your secret weapon for all-day energy, and it's free. I used to be the queen of dehydration. Coffee, juice, soda, energy drinks that promised fuel but stole it. I was so busy trying to find energy in a can bottle that I forgot about the most powerful energy source of all, water. Here's the truth. Even 2% dehydration can significantly lower your energy levels, mood, and brain function. And when you're carrying extra weight, your body holds on to more toxins, making it even harder to stay hydrated and energized. So I made a commitment. I started drinking half my weight in ounces of water every single day. Was it easy at first? Not really. Let's just say I became very familiar with the bathroom, but the boost in energy was unreal. My focus sharpened, my cravings diminished, and even my skin cleared up. I had more energy by noon than I used to have all day. Water is your body's internal cleanser and energy conductor. Ditch the sugary drinks, grab a reusable water bottle, and watch your energy levels soar. Secret number 4, fix your sleep, fix your energy, the missing link to lasting vitality. You can't out-eat or out-train bad sleep. It's like trying to build a house on a foundation of sand. And being overweight often leads to sleep apnea, a silent energy thief that robs you of deep restorative sleep. I used to think I could function on 5 to 6 hours of sleep. But the truth is, I was just surviving, not thriving. So I committed to fixing my sleep hygiene. I invested in blackout curtains, banished screens from the bedroom, and started using a glass of detox water to relax my body before bed. Most importantly, I created a consistent sleep schedule, going to bed and waking up around the same time each day, even on weekends. Then something amazing happened. I lost 10 pounds, and almost overnight my snoring stopped. I was finally hitting deep REM sleep, the kind that leaves you feeling refreshed and energized. When you sleep well, your body repairs itself. Your metabolism balances out. your willpower resets. It's the missing link to lasting energy and sustainable weight loss. Make sleep a non-negotiable and watch your energy and your life transform. The fifth thing I did in my weight loss journey: created energy through small wins. That's how momentum beats motivation. Every time, here's the thing about motivation: it's fickle. It comes and goes like the tide. And when you're relying on motivation to make a change, you're setting yourself up for disappointment. I used to wait for that burst of motivation to strike before starting a new workout routine or cleaning up my diet. But I realized that what I really needed was momentum. So I stopped waiting to feel ready. I just committed to one small habit a week. One tiny shift that I knew I could sustain. Maybe it was drinking an extra glass of water each day, or swapping my afternoon soda for a cup of herbal tea. These small wins might seem insignificant at first, but they create a powerful ripple effect. Soon I craved movement. I looked forward to meals that fueled me. I stopped reaching for food to numb my fatigue, because I wasn't tired anymore. I not only lost weight, but also gained energy by losing the things that were holding me down. The extra weight, the bad habits, the negative self-talk. You should also stop waiting for motivation. Start small, build momentum, and watch your energy and your life transform. Our motto: reclaim your energy, reclaim your life. If you're tired all the time, it's not just in your head. It's not because you're lazy or weak. You don't need more coffee. You need a body that feels safe again. One that isn't fighting inflammation, poor sleep, and chemical crashes every day. I know the journey feels hard, but every pound or kilogram you lose isn't just fat. It's a pound of stress, shame, and struggle that no longer owns you. It's a pound lighter on your joints, your heart, and your soul. Energy is freedom. It's the freedom to move with ease, to think clearly, to wake up excited for the day ahead. And you deserve to feel alive again. Please comment below with "I'm ready to start my healthy lifestyle journey." Like if this video has hit your heart. And don't miss checking on tools and products we have for you in the description. Click the links to purchase. Remember to subscribe for more real, honest weight loss truths that nobody else is telling you.